Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're going to be working on the Civic a little bit more. And one thing that I've been wanting to do lately, pretty much since last summer, was replace the steering wheel right here. So for my birthday, my wife got me a D&D steering wheel and a hub. So here it is. We'll get this opened up. I'll show you what I got, and then we'll get installed. Let's go. So what I'm getting was the D&D CNC hub. And they come in different colors, but of course I got the red. So here's the hub. Looks really, really nice. And all the other parts are in here. And the steering wheel I ended up going with, it's the leather touring steering wheel. I like it because it's not concave that much, just a little bit. It has nice grip. It's nice and thick, and it's overall looks like a really good steering wheel. So that's what I got. And also got the horn button here. Lanyard, the wiring for the horn, and I got the red Allen head screws for the steering wheel. So here's a closer look at the steering wheel. I think it will look really good in the Civic. And then a closer look at the hub here. Okay, now it's time to remove the steering wheel. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. And you want to wait 30 minutes, which I already pulled my battery earlier in the morning. And that way there's no chance of this airbag going off. And then the next step will be to come in here. And there is a cover right here and one on the other side where the cruise control is. This card, the cruise control has been removed already. And behind those are two 30 torque bits. And then unplug the harness, which is, I believe, under this cover. And this airbag should just pull out. And then we can get the steering wheel off. So let me go grab the tools I need and get this removed. So what I did was, like I said, pop this cover off. On the other side, this cover, and just take a flathead, pop it off. It'll expose the two torque bolts, T30 again, and remove those. On the side with the cruise control, right under it had this plate, and it was kind of hard getting this all the way in there to get it loose, so I just took this cover off. It was two Phillips screws right there and right there. So right now the airbag should just pop out. Like I said, the airbag should just come out. Oh, it's still plugged in here. Just like that. There's a little clip right here for the airbag. Set this to the side. And now, pretty simple, I need to figure out what size nut this is. Probably I don't know, 19. I'm really bad at that. So let me just see what size this is, and then we'll get the steering wheel off. Alright, got my little Milwaukee here. Let's see if this will get it off. If not, I'll have to get a big breaker bar. Oh yeah. About simple. loose. You want to leave the nut on there a little bit so when you're pulling on it, it doesn't smack you in the face. So like I was saying in that last video, you want to get it to the very top so when you pull on it, it doesn't, you know, sometimes these wheels I've seen on other cars and on other videos get stuck and you have to just pull on it really, really hard, which mine wasn't too bad. Also, you want to make sure your tires are straight. So when you put the new wheel on, everything will be straight. Welcome back. It's been about 2 weeks since the last clip. I ran into some issues with the hub I got. I actually received the wrong hub. So I don't remember the last clip. It's probably me taking the steering wheel off. Got the wheel off, and when I put the hub on there, it was only turning like one turn. So I was getting a hold of them, and of course, the week I was working on this, they were in Japan at the auto salon. So it took a little bit longer, but I'm fine with that. They took care of me. They're really fast with helping me out. They do not make that hub anymore. They only had a gold one. So I ended up going with the Nrg Hub and then their quick release. So I'll get those open and show them to you guys, and let's get this thing finished. Let's go. So I ended up picking up the Nrg Hub off of Amazon. It was the cheapest I could find. I think it was about $75. So a little bit more than the hub that I first bought. It's right here. It's our short hub, and that's why I decided to go with the DND quick release. So, get this open. And here's the DND quick release. You push forward on it, just like that. Now to show you guys the wheel. Don't think I've done this yet. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. D&D touring wheel in leather with the red stripe and the red stitching. I got this because it's not as concave as the other ones. Man, this feels good. It's nice and thick up there. Good grip. So let's get this wheel on this part of the quick release and get it on. Alright, let's get this on. Oh yeah. Alright everyone, here it is. It's the D&D touring wheel in leather with red accents. Also went with the red accents around the hub here. It's paired with the Nrg short hub and the D&D quick release. And with that set up, the wheel sits pretty much where stock wheel sits. The steering wheel is nice and thick right here. Gives a good grip. Also, I can reach all my switches here. So it sits perfectly. Really makes the interior look really good. That'll wrap it up for this video. If you like this steering wheel, leave this video a thumbs up. Comment anything down below. Also, I'll leave the products and the links down in the description so you can check it out yourself. Go check out D&D. They're a great company. They have a lot of different wheels, a lot of different hubs for different vehicles. And like I said, they're real quick about getting back to me once they got back from Japan. And the exchange went really fast and easy. No hassle with them. And they're a great company. So go check them out. And if you like this video, check out my other videos down below and subscribe. I'm almost to 300 subscribers, and hopefully hit 500 by summer. And once we hit 500, I'll do another giveaway. So keep an eye out on that. And until next time, peace out. You waited 30 minutes just to make sure all the energy is out, because you don't want this to blow up in your face. Why am I saying this? This is so dumb. No one gives a fuck. No one gives a fuck. They're gonna do what they want to do. Fuck this.